G. Panjavarnam, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Shakti College of Arts and Science for Women, Vattanjitram. Today I talk about rainwater harvesting. The first one, introduction of rainwater harvesting. Water is essential for all life of forms on earth including human, animal and vegetations. It is therefore important that adequate supplies of water to be developed to sustain sun's life. Where there is no surface water, where groundwater is deep or inaccessible due to hard ground conditions, or where it is too saltly, acidic, or otherwise unpleasant or unfit to drink. Another source must be sought. In areas that have regular rainfall, the most appropriate alternative is the collection of rainwater called rainwater harvesting. What is rainwater harvesting? The term rainwater harvesting is usually taken to mean the immediate collection of rainwater running off surfaces upon which it has fallen directly. The definitions includes runoff from land waste land water shield into streams, river, lakes, etc. Hence, it is the catching of rainwater when it falls and storing to use during a non-rainy season. The technology of rainwater harvesting. How to technology? It can be divided according to purpose and the source of collecting water. Methods two types. The first one rooftop harvesting, the second one runoff harvesting. The methods can be selected considering the purpose, the type of quantity of storage, catchment, state, etc. Roof of harvesting. The roof of harvesting, this method include the catchment areas as the rooftop in rural and urban area. This includes rooftop of houses, flats, factories, office and complexes. The next one, runoff harvesting. Here the runoff water is collected. Here Gar- gardens, driveways, landscapes, open field, park, roads, and pavements and other open areas on the environmental can be used to harvest the rainwater runoff. Using this method, it is possible to collect water from a larger area. This is particularly advantageous in areas of low rainfall. Next one, the component of rainwater harvesting. The component is catchment area. The catchment area is the rainwater can be collected the most form of roof, tiles roof or roof seated with corrugated mild steel etc. or preferable since there are the to use and give the cleanest water and the asbestos shielding or lead paint surface should be avoided. The next one, cutter and pipes. In the roof of top system, cutter and pipes are used to collect and transport water to the storage tanks. These pipes and cutter can be made of PVC, polyvinyl chloride, or metal, but PVC is widely used. Filter, there are used the next step filter there are used to filter out the debris that comes with the roof of top water and prevent them being added to the storage tank. Miss filter, first flushing device, sediment discharge taps. The next, storage facility. The storage tank is the structure where the water is stored. This can be varied according to the safe, cylindrical, rectangular, hexagonal, square. Materials are of constructions, reinforced cement, concrete, RRC, ferro cement, machinery, plastics, and metal sheets. Position of tank above ground, partially grounded, fully underground. The next one, device to draw water out. This includes devices such as hand pump, motorized pump, or taps. The device depends on the position of tank and the use of water. The next one, advantage of rainwater harvesting. The rainwater advantage, it means the variety of types. The first one, relatively cheap materials can be used to construction of containers and collecting surfaces. The next one, constructions method are relatively straightforward. The third one, the low maintenance cost or requirements. The fourth one, environmental friendly. The fifth one, increase the water, groundwater level and quality. And next one, migrates the effort of draft, reduces the runoff, reduces the soil erosion, help in reducing water and the electricity bills and etc. The next one, disadvantage of rainwater harvesting. Supplies can be contaminated by birds, animals, droppings on catchment surface, and guttings are structural unless they are cleaned, flushed before use. Poorly constructed water jars containers can suffer from algal growth and the invasions of insects, lizards, and rodents. They can act as a breeding ground for disease vectors if they are not properly maintained. Regular maintenance should be needed. Unpredictable rainfall. The, this is rainwater harvesting advantage and disadvantage. Thank you.